Hey everyone, Dr. 𝗏𝗂 with Cairo, and I'm here to show you another technique on how we adjust pregnant mamas. With this time we use it on a different table. It's called a high-low table. And this table, we have the patient come on up here. I'm gonna have her pregnant belly right up over here. Okay. Yep, perfect. And right there. And then I'm just gonna bring the table down. Very good. Okay. And then we'll do our leg checks to check if there's any imbalance in there. Okay. And then we go in there and check the sacrum. Okay, which way it is rotated or subluxated, because we got to make sure that the sacrum is in the right alignment. For the baby's head to always be head down. Now, for this technique, it's called the Activator Method. The Activator Method is a small little instrument. What it does here is sends an impulse into the segment that needs to be adjusted, and it's very gentle way of adjusting the spine. Not a lot of people, there's some patients do not like the drop table or the cavitation or the adjustment noise. So this is a great instrument to kind of accommodate to that. What it does, so we found that she had a right sacrum, which is misaligned right here. So we'll go into there and then just send an impulse into here. And another impulse right there. Okay, and come back in here. And then we check the leg length in there. Still slightly short on the right side. Okay. And right through here. Perfect. Now they're even. So that's another way of how to adjust the pelvis area for pregnant mamas.